So in this Wealthsimple tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to buy Meta call options here in Canada, ticker symbol META or Meta here on Wealthsimple. So once you have Wealthsimple open up on your device, go to this bottom bar and press on the magnifying glass, and at the top here, press on the search bar and simply just type in ticker symbol Meta, so META. And as you can tell, two options down, it actually says Meta Platforms Incorporated on the NASDAQ market with the purple options button. Go ahead and press on that one right there. Go to the bottom and press on buy, and then press on options. Now, if you want to buy some Meta call options, it's super simple. At the top where it says, I believe that Meta will rise by, just go ahead and press on rise. And as you can tell, the call option, it actually is checked. So for whatever reason, if it were to say put option, it'll actually change this to Meta will fall by. So for demonstration, we'll go ahead and press on put options. And as you can tell, it now says Meta will fall by. So go ahead and change that back to a call option so that it says Meta will rise by. And if you want to go ahead and change the expiry date, press on the date right here and change it to whatever expiry date that you wish to buy an option for. So a bunch of different options you can buy here. So if you wanted to buy an in the money strike price of $295, go ahead and press on that. And if you wanted to confirm this purchase or whatever purchase of whatever call option that you're looking for Meta, just go to the bottom, press on buy, and there you go. That is how you guys can buy Meta call options here in Canada, ticker symbol META or Meta here on Wealthsimple. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.